Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a new market and check it out on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the markets button down below, which is the second option, and then click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen next to the global title. Tap on it and here you can see your selected markets at the top, United States and global. If you would like to remove them, tap on the minus icon in the upper right corner of the box, and then it will be added to the available section where you can see what other markets are available. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to add. You can add as many as you want to, then scroll down and here you will be able to find them at the top of the screen. You should just slide to the right side, tap on the relevant one, and you will be able to check it out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.